In this video, I'm going to be showing how to use rectangles, lines, and ellipses in the Lighthouse for CJ Pro software. To insert any of those three objects, I need to move my mouse cursor over to the left-hand toolbox on the side of my screen. I will then choose the object I would like to use, in this case rectangle, and then move my mouse back over my label, then hold down left click and begin dragging to create the desired size of your object. It is worth noting that if you hold down Shift while creating an object, it will maintain the aspect ratio. This is most useful for circles. These objects also have additional settings that you can change, such as the line thickness and any border thicknesses. To do this, double left click on your object and the Properties menu will then open. In the case of my ellipse here, I can modify the line style, the fill style, and the thickness of the shape. If I am happy with any modifications that I have made, I will simply choose OK, and it will then put me back into my label.